Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you what is called the reverse pendulum serve. Now this serve, you see many of the top Chinese players like Zhang Jike, Fan Zhendong serve this serve, and it's very effective. It can deceive your opponent, and I'd like to break it down how exactly you can go about it. So first and foremost is the way you hold your racket, okay? So normally you'd play holding your racket this way, okay? That way. Right? Now, when you're preparing for this serve, you'd have to adjust to holding it this way. Okay? So it goes from that way to 3 of the fingers going behind like that. So you're bending 3 of those fingers that way and you're holding it that way. And the reason why you have to do that is because you're doing this motion. So the usual motion is that motion. Now you're doing that motion. So you're allowing that handle to go past your wrist, and it goes something like that. So you have to practice doing that motion. Now I know it's easier to do this motion than that motion. So that's why I say it takes a lot of practice to keep doing that until you get used to it. And then the next thing you need to do is to do that. You keep doing that. So you're getting used to this motion. You can hear the spin. So you keep practicing that. And then when you're done with that, the next thing is to try and get it onto the table. Don't worry about if it's bouncing on the right part of the table. Just try and practice on the table for now. You do that and you do that. See? Don't worry if it doesn't bounce at the right place. Just get used to that motion. Yep. You can already see the spin going in an arc like that. And don't forget, you maintain this position. You throw the ball up and your bat comes that way and you swipe the ball. So the ball goes up, comes, and you swipe the ball just like that. So after you master that swiping the ball that way, then you try as much as possible to get it to bounce on the right part of the table. So one here and one there. Don't bother using too much force. Just concentrate on getting the swipe correctly and the motion like that. So you throw it up. Like that. Like that.